Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the amazing seasoning in Heartopia. This is a special cooking ingredient that boosts your dish quality and making your meals come out at minimum 2 stars. First, you need to unlock it, and amazing seasoning only becomes available once your cooking hobby reaches the level 6, this one. And after you reach this level, just go to the NPC Massimo and then open his shop, his cooking store, and then just scroll down until you find the amazing seasoning in here. You can buy it using 2 stars per item or 3000 gold per item. Just simply choose the purchase type that you want, and then next just choose how many that you want in here, and then just press on purchase. And okay, that's it. Now you have got amazing seasoning ready in your inventory, and in the next video I will show you how to actually use it to improve your cooking results. So just check the next video. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.